In today's video, we're going to go through the process of uploading your videos the right way and taking advantage of all the features that YouTube has provided for you. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, my name is Mr. Younglove. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can always see my videos whenever I upload a new video. For us to do this, we have to take advantage of YouTube Studio. If you're not uploading your videos using YouTube Studio, you're making a very big mistake because there are so many features that you're not taking advantage of. So the best place for you to actually upload your video is on YouTube Studio. So this is my YouTube Studio dashboard. So we'll go to create and go to upload. So this is the file that we're going to be uploading. So we'll click on open and allow the video to load. Now, in this place, you add your title and your description, and then you can upload your thumbnail from here, or you can use AI to generate your thumbnail from here. And then I believe all of us know about YouTube playlist, which means that if you want YouTube to suggest videos relating to a particular playlist, when somebody's watching your video, you can do that here. And then we can go down. This is a very important place because if you don't do it properly, YouTube might even restrict people from watching your videos. So you have to make sure you click on this video is not for kids if your videos are not for kids. This section is a very important section. This section is called authored content. If you don't toggle any of this on, it might probably affect your video, especially if you're someone that creates videos using AI. Do any of these describe your content? Makes a real person appear or say or do things they didn't say or do. So you have to make sure that you put yes or no if you're someone that creates your content using AI, or if you're the person who is talking, or if you're the person in your video, or your video has to do with a real person. You have to choose any of this. So for example, if you create videos with AI, you can say yes. If you don't create videos with AI, you can say no. If you're someone that wants to collaborate with another channel, you can also do that using invite collaborator. And in this section, you can do your tags and also select your video language. Now, this is another important section because in this place it says publish to subscribers and feed. So what this does is that whenever you upload your video, it's going to notify your subscribers that you've uploaded a video. So you make sure you check this in and turn on your comment section. And also, if you want only your subscribers to comment, or you want anyone to comment on your video, you have that option here. Like we said before, uploading your videos using YouTube Studio is the best because it gives you a variety of options. This is an important section because it helps you save stress on YouTube. It's going to give YouTube an option to check if your video has copyright issues or violates any community guideline before you can upload it. And when it is done checking, in this place, it's going to tell you that your video doesn't have any copyright issues. That is, if your video doesn't have any copyright issues. Now, after the checks, you can go to visibility. And if you want your video to be uploaded immediately, you can click on public. That is the right way to upload your video on YouTube. And this will save you a lot of stress to make sure you're not wasting your time on YouTube.